Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to wake your iPhone by tapping the screen. So whenever your iPhone is locked, so the screen will be in a black color, right? So whenever you want to make it active, so you just need to tap the screen. Let's activate this mode. You just need to go click the settings, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the accessibility. Just need to go click the accessibility, and in this accessibility there will be a lot of part that you can set, from the vision, physical and motor, and hearing and general. So since we want to activate the tab wake, so you just need to click the touch, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found tap to wake, and now you just need to turn on this button by click it until it becomes a green color. And now whenever your phone is locked, you just need to tap the screen to turn it on or to make your phone awake. So that's the way how to turn on the tapping wake screen on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone tutorial. See you for the next video.